everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach.
Cybersecurity for everyone. Simple steps to protect your digital identity. Now, think about how much of your life is online right now. Your banking, your shopping, your social media, your medical records, your work emails, your family photos, everything. Now imagine a hacker getting access to all of it. Your bank account drained, your identity stolen, your private messages exposed. Feeling overwhelmed? Here's the truth, you shouldn't be. Forget the complex tech talk and expensive security systems. We're breaking down essential cybersecurity into habits as simple as brushing your teeth. By the end of this video, you'll have a digital fortress protecting everything you care about online. Let's get started. Section 1. Your digital fortress. Why it matters now. Let's talk about what's actually happening out there. In the past year alone, we've seen massive data breaches affecting millions of people. Major retailers, healthcare systems, even government agencies have been compromised. The numbers are staggering. Identity theft affects over 15 million Americans every year. The average victim loses around $1,500. But the real cost? That's the hundreds of hours spent trying to recover your identity, fix your credit, and regain your sense of security. I'm talking about real people. Sarah, a teacher from Ohio, woke up one morning to find her bank account empty. Mark, a retired veteran, discovered someone had taken out loans in his name. These aren't random targets. These are ordinary people who thought, it won't happen to me. And here's what keeps me up at night. Most of these attacks succeed because they're embarrassingly simple. A fake email that looks like it's from your bank. A text message claiming to be from Amazon. A phone call from someone pretending to be tech support. The good news? The same way these attacks are simple, your defenses can be simple too. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need to know a few key strategies and make them habits. Let's start with the foundation. Section 2. Bulletproof passwords and beyond. Let's talk passwords. If I told you that hackers can crack the password 123 in less than 1 second, would you believe me? It's true, and passwords like summer 2026 or your pet's name, just as bad. Here's what you need to know about creating truly strong passwords. The password formula that actually works. First, length matters more than complexity. A 16-character password beats an 8-character password every single time, even if that short one has symbols. Second, use a passphrase. Instead of D0G123, try something like coffee tastes better on Tuesday. It's long, memorable, and incredibly difficult to crack. Third, make every password unique. I know, you're thinking, how am I supposed to remember 50 different passwords? That's where password managers come in. Password managers, your secret weapon. A password manager is like a secure vault for all your passwords. You only need to remember one master password, and the manager handles everything else. It generates strong, random passwords for each site and automatically fills them in when you need them. Top options for 2026 include Bitwarden, free and open source, 1Password, great for families, and Dashlane, super user-friendly. Pick one, install it today, and start migrating your passwords. This single step will dramatically improve your security. 2-factor. Authentication, your digital bodyguard. But even the strongest password isn't enough on its own. This is where 2-factor authentication, or 2FA, comes in. Think of it as a second lock on your door. Here's how it works. After you enter your password, you need a second piece of proof that it's really you. This could be a code sent to your phone, a fingerprint scan, or a code from an authenticator app. Enable 2FA on these accounts immediately. Your email, this is the master key to everything else. Your banking and financial accounts. Your social media accounts, any shopping sites with saved payment information. Use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator, rather than text messages when possible. Text messages can be intercepted, but authenticator apps are much more secure. It takes maybe 5 minutes per account. 5 minutes that could save you from a nightmare scenario. Section 3. Spotting phishing. Don't take the bait. Phishing is the number one way hackers get into your accounts, and they're getting better at it every day. In 2026, these scams look more legitimate than ever. The red flags you must know. Let me show you what to look for. This email looks like it's from PayPal, right? But look closer. Red flag 1. Urgency and fear. Your account will be closed in 24 hours. Suspicious activity detected. These messages are designed to make you panic and click without thinking. Red flag 2. Generic greetings. Dear customer instead of your actual name. That's suspicious. Legitimate companies use your real name. Red flag 3. Suspicious links. Hover over any link before clicking. See that? The display text says paypal.com, but the actual link goes to paypal1.com-security.net. Totally different. That extra character or weird domain is a dead giveaway. Red flag 4. Requests for personal information. Your bank will never email asking for your password, social security number, or account details. Never. Red flag 5. Poor grammar and spelling. While scammers are getting better, many still have typos and awkward phrasing. Legitimate companies have professional editors. The golden rule: when in doubt, go direct. If you get an email claiming to be from your bank, don't click the link. Instead, close the email. Open your browser, type in your bank's website address manually. Log in there to check if there's really an issue, or call the number on the back of your credit card, not the number in the suspicious email. The new threats: AI-powered scams. In 2026, we're also seeing AI-generated phishing. Scammers can clone voices to impersonate your family members or create deepfake videos of CEOs requesting urgent wire transfers. The defense? Establish a family code word for emergencies. If someone calls claiming to be your grandchild in trouble, ask them the code word. The real person will know it. The scammer won't. Section 4. Securing your devices. Your passwords and awareness are crucial, but your devices themselves need protection too. Updates. Don't hit remind me later. I know those update notifications are annoying, but here's the truth. Most updates include critical security patches. When hackers discover a vulnerability, companies race to fix it. That update is the fix. Delaying it leaves your device exposed. Set your devices to auto-update. Your phone operating system, your computer operating system, your browsers, your apps. Antivirus protection in 2026. Yes, you still need antivirus software, especially on Windows computers. Built-in Windows security is actually pretty good now, but third-party options like Bitdefender, Norton, or Malwarebytes offer extra layers of protection. Mac users aren't immune either. While Macs are generally more secure, they're increasingly being targeted. At minimum, use the built-in Xprotect and keep it updated. Public Wi-Fi, the digital minefield. That free Wi-Fi at the coffee shop? It's convenient, but it's also a playground for hackers. When you're on public Wi-Fi, cybercriminals can intercept your data. The rules for public Wi-Fi: never access banking or sensitive accounts. Use a VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your connection. Turn off Auto Connect so your phone doesn't automatically join unknown networks. When possible, use your phone's hotspot instead. Good VPN options for 2026 include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Proton VPN. The free version of Proton VPN is great if you're on a budget. Section 5. Social media privacy. Let's talk about something people often overlook: social media privacy. You're essentially broadcasting your life to the world, and hackers are watching. What not to share? Think before you post. Your full birth date helps with identity theft. Your address or exact location in real-time photos of your credit cards, IDs, or boarding passes. Your mother's maiden name, common security question. When you're away from home, advertising an empty house. Lock down your settings. Spend 15 minutes today reviewing your privacy settings on Facebook, Instagram, X, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Set your profiles to private or friends only. Turn off location tagging. Disable facial recognition if you're uncomfortable with it. Limit who can see your friend list and past posts. Also, watch out for fake friend requests. Scammers create duplicate profiles of people you know, then send friend requests to gather information or spread malware. If someone you're already friends with sends a new request, reach out to them directly to verify. Section 6. Financial Security. Your money deserves special attention. Here's how to keep it safe. Monitor your credit. Check your credit report regularly. You're entitled to free reports from each of the 3 major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, at annualcreditreport.com. Space them out. Check one every 4 months to keep continuous tabs. Consider a credit monitoring service or credit freeze if you're not applying for loans soon. A freeze prevents anyone, including you, from opening new credit accounts, stopping identity thieves in their tracks.
Set up alerts for all transactions over a certain amount. Review your bank and credit card statements weekly, not just monthly. The faster you catch fraudulent charges, the easier they are to dispute. Virtual cards, next level protection. Many banks now offer virtual card numbers for online shopping. These are temporary card numbers linked to your real account. If a merchant gets breached, the virtual number is useless to hackers. Your real card stays safe. Privacy.com and services from Capital One, Citi, and Bank of America offer these features in 2026. Section 7. Daily Cybersecurity Habits. Let's tie this all together with habits you can build into your daily routine. Your daily digital security checklist. Morning, check your email and bank notifications for any unusual activity. Delete suspicious emails without clicking anything. Throughout the day, think before you click any link. Verify the sender before responding to requests for information. Use your password manager for every login. Never save passwords in your browser on shared computers. Weekly, review your bank and credit card statements. Update any software with pending updates. Back up important files to an external drive or cloud service. Monthly, change passwords on any accounts you suspect might be compromised. Check your credit report, rotating through the 3 bureaus, review privacy settings on social media. I know this seems like a lot, but remember, you're not implementing everything at once. Pick 3 things from this video to do today. Next week, add 3 more. Within a month, these will be second nature. Section 8. What to do if you're compromised. Let's talk about the worst case scenario. What if, despite your best efforts, you get hacked? Immediate actions. Step 1. Change your passwords. Start with your email, then move to banking, social media, and other critical accounts. Use a different device if possible, in case your primary device is compromised. Step 2. Enable or update 2FA. If you didn't have it before, set it up now. If you did, update your authentication method in case it was compromised. Step 3. Contact your bank. Report any unauthorized transactions immediately. Most banks have zero liability policies if you report quickly. Step 4. File a report. Report identity theft to the FTC at identitytheft.gov. File a police report if significant money or identity theft is involved. Step 5. Alert the credit bureaus. Place a fraud alert on your credit reports. Consider a credit freeze. Step 6. Scan your devices. Run a complete antivirus scan on all your devices. Consider getting professional help if the breach is serious. Here's the truth. Perfect security doesn't exist. But you don't need perfect, you just need to be a harder target than the next person. Cybercriminals are lazy, they go for easy wins. By implementing even half of what we covered today, you make yourself exponentially more difficult to hack. Your digital identity is just as real and valuable as your physical identity. You lock your doors at night. You don't give your wallet to strangers. Treat your online presence with the same respect.